and today we have another problem with our scooter, which is the front wheels. When Papa pump it with air, there is like hole, but I don't know where it is. Yeah. So, but the good thing is that we have this box full with tires, 2 tires, and this is my brother Ray. Subscribe. Yup, definitely like and subscribe. Okay, now we're gonna open the box. Make sure to get our merch. This is how it looks like. From the inside. And the inside. So my papa will try to repair it so that it can be fixed again. Yeah, guys. Yeah, it's really big. Yep, it's big.
So hi guys. So we have another problem in our scooter. So this will be our first time to fix our tire.
Yeah.
So as you can see, I already did pumping for this scooter, but still, you can look closely. It will. It's easy to push. So meaning there's no more air inside or less air already.
I cannot push it.
So what we will do is to replace this tire with new one. So the good thing about
We have new tires.
scooter is we have
new tires, guys.
additional tires for this.
Yeah, we have new tires, right, Papa?
Replace these old tires we have. Yeah.
We have new tires
Yeah, we
today.
have new tires. So
Yay,
let's do this. And I hope it will work. So this will be our first time to fix this.
I hope this will fit in the
So first up, guys, we need to remove this sticker. So you will see the screw inside to replace. Same goes to this side here. Remove the sticker. This is the first part we will do.
What?
Okay, time to remove this sticker slowly. I'm using this one.
That's really sharp, Papa. Be careful.
I'm using a DIY. It's a L type.
I'm just gonna hold.
There you go. So we remove this, and we will place it here because we still need this one to cover that again.
Yeah. What's starting?
So we're slowly removing this.
Yeah.
Excuse Rain if you cannot see Rain.
Okay. I just excuse. It's starting to take off. I like the scooter.
So
Let's go,
guys.
baby.
So there's
Let's go, baby.
4 to remove here.
Yeah. If you like and subscribe, like.
So next, guys, we'll use this to remove the 4 screws here inside.
Okay, I'll hold the scooter, alright, Papa?
So once we remove the 4, so you can see another here. So this will cover the wires. So this.
Whoa.
Next is to remove this. Another 4.
Yeah.
So this last part.
Yeah, this is the last part, guys.
And that's 2 screws that we will remove.
There's only 2 screws. Whoa. This is.
So another 4 screw, just like the other side.
Yeah, we just do the other side.
Remove this. So next, guys, we're gonna use the wrench
This is like a boat.
to remove this.
Yeah.
part.
It is actually going. Actually going. What? What? What's happening? Ask me. Ask me. Ask me. Ask me.
Another one.
Yeah.
Remove this.
Ooh.
Slowly wires. So remove this. Okay, we're done removing the hub part. Now we will now try to remove this the one that inside the rubber. We wait inside the air, so we want to remove this first. Now remove first this one. Ooh. There you go. Place the new side. Rubber. There. Next thing I'll do, guys, is to sure this will go through inside here. It's a little bit tricky and a little bit hard. Okay guys, it's already in. So what we'll do is put this back inside. So next guys, we'll try to add some oil. Try to put it here. And let's try to push. So let's try this. So again, this is my first time doing this, so shout out to all the first timers. Okay, and guys are ready. Let's try to add some oil. I hope it will slide down. Everything will work okay. Okay, whew. That's quite very tiring guys, so just have to push hard and also use flat screw. These two guys help you push slowly and slowly, and that's it. It's quite hard. Whew. But I made it, so I've been closed, and we'll try to test it. See, I have to put some air. If everything looks okay, no problem. Let's try. Okay, let's pump some air. Everything looks okay. Yeah, I think this looks good. Whew, that's it. So time to return this back to its normal state. Okay, let's return this. Let's go there. Slowly. Okay. Start slowly, the other one.
Where's the other screws? There.
Nice guys, so we need everything to return all the screws and try to test it out. So that's it guys, thank you for watching and I hope it helps, especially for first timers like me. So based from my experience, it's the tire removing and returning it back is the hardest part to do. So you need to do a lot of thinking what material, what tools to use. Because I don't have enough tools, so what's inside my toolbox, that's the one I use. So but right now it's all fixed and try to test it out. So thanks for watching guys, till next time, bye bye.